Most people think healthy eating is expensive, so today I challenged myself to make the cheapest green juice possible. This entire recipe costs about $3, is drastically cheaper than the 15 to 20 bucks you pay at juice bars, tastes just as good, and is detoxing, energizing, and detoxifying. Juicing to me is one of the best parts of health. It's truly transformed my life. I've been juicing almost every day for about 7 years, and it electrifies me, makes me feel incredible, and just hydrates me on a cellular level. So I just wish everybody could juice, and that's why I'm bringing you guys this recipe today, because I think it's important we find budget-friendly recipes. I know the cost of everything is going through the roof, and I totally, truly believe that health is wealth, and one of the most important things we can do is take care of our health, is take care of ourselves, really, and ourselves on a cellular level. So let's hop into this recipe. With this recipe, we're gonna do 1 head of romaine. So this head of romaine cost me about $1 because I bought a 3-pack, and I think it was about $2.99. So for a budget-friendly juice, you're gonna wanna go to less expensive grocery stores. So probably you're not gonna wanna do Whole Foods or higher level grocery stores for your budget-friendly juice, because produce is priced differently at all the stores. So we're gonna do this. In this recipe, we're gonna do 1 English cucumber, and this is very hydrating, very good for you on a cellular level, and same with the romaine, very hydrating. And this was about 99 cents. So we're gonna start with that. And we're using our Nama juicer today, my favorite juicer in the whole wide world. Right now you guys can save 60 bucks if you use code GBNAMA. I'll put it down below. 15-year warranty, easy to use, easy to clean, and the world's first hands-free juicer. They are the best. And in this recipe as well, I'm gonna use half a lemon. I find a full lemon a bit much sometimes, and since we're creating something budget-friendly, we will save the other half in the fridge for later, or you can create a double batch with this recipe if you have more produce. And we are going to chop up 4 stalks of celery. We've got off our bunch as well. And celery is so healthy, so high in minerals, so great for the bones. I'm actually interviewing somebody today who I think has had celery juice every day for about 6 or 9 years. I forget how many years. How many years, Noelle? 9 years. She's had celery juice every day for about 9 years. So stay tuned for that. We'll see the results of that. Here we go, guys. Budget-friendly juice. This juice proves right here you can nourish your body, get more greens in, and just enjoy green juices on literally the most inexpensive budget. So $3, look at that. You can't get that anywhere. When I was in New York going to, I think it was Joe the Juice, I think I paid $18 for a green juice. So $3 a day to make one of these green juices, it's highly worth it. I cannot recommend it enough. So let's try it out. It's good, refreshing, detoxifying, hydrating, amazing, just gets you on a cellular level, and so much healthier than a lot of the other things out there like coffee or soda or energy drinks. This is where it's at, you guys. I always say the juicer is man's modern day medicine. You guys, this is so good. And one other tip I want to give you guys is, if you want to make your juices even more budget friendly, you can dilute them with water. So you can add like 25%, 15%, 20% water. I know Lou Corona adds water to his green juices, not even to be budget friendly, just because he says it makes us absorb the nutrients better. But I'm not going to add water to this recipe, but it is dynamite. It's delicious. I highly recommend it. Go check it out and let us know about it down below. I love engaging with you guys, and other people like reading the comments. So comment down below what your favorite budget juicing recipe is. And go grab the Nama, the world's first hands-free juicer. They are the first. There's lots of people trying to copy them, and they are the best. So full 15-year warranty, save 60 bucks now, code GBNAMA, and I'll put an amazing blue juice recipe on the screen right now and another really great video. So go check those out and be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.